Mama and Uncle Gilbert and
Auntie Linda.
Auntie Linda.
Yeah. Say Happy New Year, my son.
Happy New Year. Even though there's no snow
Where?
in Philippines.
Okay.
And we're going back to the forest.
Say hi to your relatives too. In Quirino Province, in Victoria,
Hi.
Tarlac.
Hi, yes sir. Hi, Acer. And hi,
That's
Mom
right.
and Joe.
Yes, yeah.
And hi, just hello to everybody. And
Yeah.
we're almost to the middle of the forest again.
Hello, aming kabagyan ta Quirino, Madela, Aglipay, Cabarugis, Tamit, Victoria, Tarlac, Inang, Kakabsat, Kakasinsin, Uncle, Auntie.
We're almost back.
Happy New Year, everybody. Okay, I need to take video for myself. Very sweat. Okay. Ni Mrs. Dasarak na tata sak standby. Nag-uret ti trabaho next year. Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. God bless Philippines. God prosper you. Right?
We need to go walk.
Yeah.
There goes the block tree.
Oh, Kasinsin, na taga Ilocos Sur, Kabagyan dita,
There we go. Almost there.
Cebu City. Hello everybody.